This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Schmidt. Long lake views are the main attraction of this pristine home that features a bright and airy floor plan with volume ceilings, formal dining, custom shades and plantation shutters, beautiful cabinetry, stainless appliances, granite counters, induction stove, Butler's pantry with wine fridge, tile throughout main living areas, carpeting in bedrooms only, custom closets, electric fireplace in living room and den west/closets and desk, pullout, large laundry room with sink, refrigerator, storage and folding space. Club room includes a king-sized Murphy bed. French doors lead from the club room to the courtyard, beautifully landscaped with mature plants and trees, heated, salt water, self-cleaning pool with waterfall, spacious lanai area, salt water pool, electric hurricane screen on lanai along with hurricane impact windows, gated community with great amenities. Riverstone is located in an A-rated school district, minutes away from I-75, minutes to shops and the beach, and less than 25 minutes to Southwest Florida International Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Schmidt at 239-293-8150.